Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the PIN code to your tablet. So if you cannot access your device using your PIN code, try entering the PIN code that you used the last time, and in case it doesn't work for you in the normal mode, you can go into the safe mode and check if it works for you there instead. And because in the safe mode there are no third-party applications that are affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. Also, your tablet is less laggy in this safe mode, and it's very commonly the reason why you cannot log into your device. So the first thing that you should try to do is hold down the power button for a while, then hold down the restart option and touch it once again to enter safe mode. Then click again to OK to confirm, and wait until your tablet is restarted. Once your tablet is restarted, try entering the PIN code once again. And just in case it works for you this time, go to Settings, then go to Biometrics and Password. Select Disable Lock Screen Password, click Disable to confirm, then enter your PIN code once again, and then you can restart your tablet by holding down the power key. Select Restart, and once your laptop is restarted, you'll be able to sign into your device normally. But in case it didn't work for you and you really can't remember the PIN code that you used to sign into your device, then first of all try to contact HUAWEI customer support service and tell them about your issue, and there is a good chance that if you provide the proof of the ownership of your tablet to them, then they will be able to help you out with your issue without erasing any data from your tablet. But in case you cannot do that, then you still can perform a factory reset operation on your device, and you can do this either using a HUAWEI Cloud website. So if you have a HUAWEI account on your tablet, sign into it on any other device using your credentials on HUAWEI Cloud. Then open Find Device menu. Select this tablet on the list and select Erase Data, and this will erase data from your tablet, and once the data is erased, you'll be able to set this tablet as new. And in case this option is unavailable for you too, then you can perform a factory reset operation locally, and to do that you're gonna have to enter recovery mode, and if you don't know how to enter recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel that explains how to do that step by step on this exact laptop. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all that I wanted to share with you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.